So today we keep solving our physics subject GRE. And this problem is simple. It's called photoelectric. And so this is very simple. So 31, I think everyone knows about the devices and the basic equation, basic Einstein photoelectric. And 31 is ask you about why is the photoelectric satisfied? Why is the photoelectric equation satisfied an application situation? Ask about V. What's the meaning of V? What's the meaning of E? Okay, so basically the situation is that you emit a photon, and the photon will hit the electrons. So one photon carries about h nu and then minus the work function. So basically, when electron hit the photons, when a photon hit the electron and the electron absorb the energy, then comes out. And basically, you can use this V to detect the electron to stop the electron. When you stop the electrons, then you know what is the right hand side quantity. Okay, so this is the key point. Okay, so what is so I already said you use this V to stop the electrons, and the electron is negative, right? So your V should be negative, right? Because your E is negative, V is negative, right? So the left hand side is positive. So h nu minus W is positive. Then you can stop it. So the answer is A. The answer is A. Okay. And the 32 asking about assumption. Basically, this is common sense. I already explained. So the light is absorbing quanta of energy, right? And the light, so the answer should be D. And then what E is not correct because light in photoelectric you view light as a particle. And the 33 said the quantity W is in the photoelectric equation. Basically, this is the work function. So work function means the how much energy that electron should absorb, then it can leave the metal. It can leave the metal. Okay. So which one is the correct one? So the minimum energy required to free an electron from binding to cathode material, right? So the answer is D. The answer is D. Basically, this is just answer you need to just understand the basic photoelectric. So I think these three, so it's very easy. Okay, I will see you guys in next time, and be sure to subscribe to my channel.